What's up, guys? It's East Coast Toke. Today I'm reviewing the Volcano Classic with the solid valve setup and the Volcano Digit with the easy valve setup. I'm going to just show you guys how to put everything together, give you my thoughts and opinions on them compared to other vaporizers I have used, and just let you know what's up with this. I mean, they're both expensive pieces of equipment. I'd hate for somebody to buy them and not like them. Although after using them for a while, it is hard not to like them, but there are also other valuable choices out there that are more affordable and more than half the price of this that work just as well, if not better, you know. But let's get it started. Right here we have the fan for the Volcano Classic. We have the heat button and the dial. A good temp to vape for the Volcano Classic is between 5 and 6. I like to bring it up to like 6, in between the first dash, 6.5. You know, it's 6.5. I put it in between there, like 6.25. Don't ask why. That's just what I prefer on this one. I'm not sure the temperature values for each numbers, but I'm guessing in between the 5 and the 6 is the 300 range, from 330 to 360-ish. So as that heats up, I'm going to show you how to fill up and get ready with this system. Now, the solid valve system, there's 2 clamps on the side of this right here that you flip. You'll hear it click into place whenever you connect it. You got to push those 2 clamps, and it'll come out. Same with the mouthpiece, and this will not draw air. There's a one-way valve in there that until you push this, if you draw your air like that, you're not getting anything. If you got to push it in first on your lips, then draw the air. To fill this up, you want to pull this out and put this in. You don't need any crazy amount. You don't want to pack it. It'll burn better if you don't pack it in there. Make sure it's level. I always like to do that. Rest this on top, and then it's set. Now, you do not want to leave this up here while it is vaping, while it's warming, because that's just stupid. You're gonna burn everything off of the weed. Unclamp, same concept. Clamp this in with the bag. I leave it like this. When you take this off of the heater, for instance, when you take this off, you want to grab that little rubber condom latex looking thing that's not hot. Rest it, disconnect it, hit the bag, so on and so forth. Put it back on when you're ready to start your next bag. Now, while that heats up, I'm going to show you the Volcano Digit. The Digit, same concept, green buttons to fan, boom, 369. Now, I was told and informed that vaping at certain temperatures burns certain cannabinoids affect your body differently. Burning in a 360, I just put it to 69 because I'm a dirtbag, but burning at 360 will give you 350 and higher, will give you more of a head high, and burning at 330, vaping at 330 is going to give you more of a body high. So I like to do, with the Volcano Digit, the rotation I'll do is 2 bags on 350, 360, throw it down 330, do another 2 bags, and I'm feeling nice by that time, man. Really good. Down here, I'm going to show you how to fill this. This is the top for the digital easy valve setup. It splits in half. The goods go in there. Again, don't pack it. Let it be level. Twist it back on. Whenever I remove it, I hold it from the top, likewise. It doesn't get hot up there. Now with the easy valve system, before there was 2 buttons you have to push. Now you just got to use in, out, on, off. So it'll be filled up bag, pull this off, put that in. Same one-way valve system. You're going to have to push it in before you draw your air. But both of them work well. I've been using them for about 4 or 5 days now. As you guys can see now, both units have reached the set temperatures. So now I'm going to show you guys what to do from here. Put it on the unit. And then from there, you just throw the bag on. You can see how quick it takes, so we're going to get smoke. This one I noticed smoke comes more dense than the Volcano Digit. However, density does not necessarily mean that it is better. I have a chart here that comes with the Volcano. It'll show you. Watch vapor density. Clear, bad. Smoky, alright. Black, bad. This looks pretty good. So we're going to poke on this, and we're going to set up this one next. Now, same concept. Let the fan run with the product on it for 5 seconds, and then it does it. So pop the product on, pop the bag on it, see where it goes. Now, of course, it's a lot easier with the easy bag system because, well, it's just called the easy bag system. Wouldn't be called that for no reason. Pop it off. I can do it all with one hand. And I'm set. Like that. Now, how much better can you see the jars to that bag than the first one? I like smoking with the easy valve setup, and I like smoking out of the Digit better for some reason. It's less harsh. I don't know if it's because I can pick the temperature that I want. But yeah, using this, you can see it'll go down. And the cool thing I like about this is, let me show you. When you shut it off, it'll still show you the temperature so nobody packs it too early or puts it somewhere where it's going to be a risk. Another thing I like about it is when this is left on, say both units are left on, the Digit will automatically shut off. Done. Automatically just turn down. The Volcano Classic, I did not notice that. It was still on when the Digit shut down, so maybe it has the same thing, but it just takes longer. And if that's the case regardless, the Digit is still better because I'd rather it shut down sooner than later. You know, it's all about the safety. For me, anyway. I know the range for the Digit is 600 or more. And the Volcano Classic, I believe, is 300 to 400. You might have to pay a little extra for the easy valve setup. I'm not sure what kind of combo deals they have, but definitely look into it. But as far as I'm concerned, man, the Volcano Digit's really a cool piece. I like it. The reason I didn't get it is just because I can't spend 600 bucks on a piece. Like, I'm trying to buy a house. I'm saving money. 600 is too much when I could buy something cheaper. There are cheaper options out there that work just as good. The Extreme Q is the one I would go for, personally. If money's not a thing and you got money and you want to treat yourself to something good, get the Digit, dude, for sure. The Classic isn't bad either. But when you shut it off, you don't know how hot it is right now. You know, somebody else could walk into the room and be like, yo, if you're not using this, move it. Boom, burn themselves. The Digit will say, hey, asshole, don't touch me, basically. And again, like I said, safety first, so that's another big up to the Digit. I'm all about keeping it safe. The Volcano Classic is cool too. If you don't want to spend as much on the Digit and you want to settle for the Classic, that's not a bad settlement. Thanks, guys. Peace and love. Stay safe. Stay high as fuck. If you ain't trying to spend over $300 on a vape right now, the only one that I have experience with is the Extreme Q, but I think that's one of the best ones out there compared to other ones I've looked at. You know, there's options. When you're spending this much money, I do urge you, though, to just sit down and not just watch my review, but watch another person's review. And just make sure what you know what you're buying. Other than that, you know the drill. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Shout out to SmokeFreeWeed.com, though. You can follow them at SFWcom on Twitter. You can follow me at ECTTV on Twitter. You know what I mean? Swing over to the Hot Seat playlist and ask me a question in the comments, and I'll answer it. Peace and love, guys.